Today we're unboxing this super compact mini pocket Bluetooth thermal label printer. Let's get started. Right out of the box, we've got a clean and minimal package. Let's open it up. Inside, you'll find the user manual at the top. Underneath printer itself, look how small and portable this is. Perfect for on-the-go use. Along with that, we've got a USB charging cable, a roll of thermal paper. Taking a closer look, the design is sleek and lightweight. It easily fits in your hand or pocket. Besides, you got a USB-C charging socket. Load paper roll. First, take your label roll. Open printer using side unlock button and put roll inside and close the door. Power on and connection with mobile. Let's power it on. Just press and hold the button, and you're good to go. Now open Play Store or App Store and download Printer app. Open app and now tap Connect button. Apps will ask you to allow location permission. You can allow or allow only this time. Wait while app searching for printer. You will get printer name, tap Connect button. Mobile will take a few moments to connect printer. A confirmation pop-up open asking for pair. Just tap pair button and printer light turns solid green after successful connection with mobile. Test the label printing. Now open app and design a label and try printing. You can use it for notes, labels, receipts, or even fun stickers. Once label ready, just tap print button, then select printer if already not selected in default printer, and your label will start printing in seconds. Say goodbye to tangled cords and expensive cartridges. This little guy fits right in your pocket and is ready to go anywhere you are. And that's it. If you found this little printer unboxing helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more unboxing and reviews. Thanks for watching.